A very good evening, my dear lovely second year students. I hope all are doing very well. I think you people have completed your theoretical exams today itself, right? So, from tomorrow onwards, you are going to write the practical exams. So, for that reason only, I am making this video. I just want to share a few tips related to our Python programming language, how to prepare, how to manage your time, and how to present your paper and all. I just want to share you. So, due to the WhatsApp limitation constraints and all, I just want to share this video on my YouTube channel. I'll provide the link in our class group. I think I have shared some guidelines in the group also. So how you should be dress up yourself and what are the required things you need to carry for the exam, and what are the what are the things you need to follow and all. I have shared afternoon, I think so. So this video always giving the tips only on the Python programming language. Okay, so I think 4th December we are having I think time afternoon itself, 1:30 to 4:30 p.m. Okay, so I just want to share how to prepare, how to manage, and how to execute. Okay, then only this video will be helpful to you guys. Why? Because we have 30 programs in the Python programming. So all are very short programs, and 4th unit, 5th unit programs are only vast programs. Remaining all are very simple logic and very simple lines of code we are having. So that's why I just want to share some tips how to write, how to present your paper. Okay, so while watching this video, it will be preferable to put our Python syllabus in front of you. So then it will get more clarity what I'm saying and all. It will be very catchy while watching the syllabus on that. So that's why I just want to share. Here in the Python, we are having completely 30 programs. In the first unit, we are having 6 programs, right? So basic programs in the first unit only. What are the data types, what are the variables, what are the operators, okay, so what are the conditional statements. So based on this only we are having 6 programs. So finding the largest number among 3 numbers and prime numbers between the given interval. So you have to give the minimum value and maximum value. In between, what will be the prime numbers, what will be the logic, you should know that, and you have to write that. And different kinds of operators, this is very important. And swapping 2 numbers, it is just only 2 lines of code. A comma b is equal to b comma a. So a, you can take it from the external input or else initialization. Okay, and we are having complex numbers, addition and multiplication also. This is also very small program. And write a program to print a multiplication table of a given number. Okay, so these are the things we are having in the first unit. But here the question is in the single line, but in the external exam the question will be somewhat tricky. Okay, you have to analyze the question first. Okay, so you need to write, you need to read your question 2 to 3 times very clearly, understand the question, then only you can start writing. Okay, so while moving to writing part, you are having 1 hour 30 minutes time. Totally we are having 3 hours of time for practical exam. So 1 hour 30 minutes will be the write up part. You have to cover in that time only. So after 1 hour 30 minutes, remaining 1 hour 30 minutes, you have to execute your program. Execute your programs. So for that you have to bring your own laptops for our particular Python programming lab external. Okay, so meanwhile the Viva will be going there. Some external person will be coming to you. They will ask questions from whatever I have shared, that PDF afternoon itself. Go through that. That will be enough for Viva questions and all. And some of the important topics also you have to recall once. Okay, so tuples, list, what are the differences between those two, and what is a set, what is a dictionary. So all this these are the new things to you guys. So that's why I'm telling and stressing, you have to know about what are the major differences between set, string, list, what we call tuple, and all you have to know very well. Okay, and I'll move to the second unit, functions. In this functions, what are the args, key args, and built-in functions. All this we have covered very well. You have written very well in the exam also. Okay, so in this also we are having six programs, multiple written values program. It is also very very important program, and perform any five built-in functions by taking any list. This is single sentence question, right? But in your exam there will be a chance to ask, first create a list, then uh, push some elements into the list. Okay, after that use so and so functions on that list. Okay, append, remove. Particularly they will going to ask a particular method or a particular built-in function on list, tuple or set, whatever it may be. So you just thoroughly you need to understand the question, and you just imagine yourself how I need to write all these things. You need to understand very well. Okay, and here also we are having some operations on the list, addition operation, how you can go in, I mean you are going to perform insertion. Okay, slicing. So there will be a slight difference between addition and insertion. Okay, so slicing means getting some part of the elements from the list. So these are very very important concepts. Okay, so whatever operation you are performing on the list or performing on the tuple, performing on the set, performing on the dictionary, you have to create first dictionary. Then only you need to add or remove or whatever operation in the question paper they are asking, you just highlight that. Okay, so while coming to the writing part, it will be segregated into different headings here. So first, aim should be the first heading. Okay, aim means whatever question you are getting in the question paper that you have to write. Okay, after that description, if whether the program required any description, for example dictionary or else list or else complex number, whatever it may be, how it will be, something you need to write in the description part related to that particular question. Okay, so after that we are having step by step procedure, that is nothing but algorithm. So algorithm is also mandatory. Whatever question you got, based on that question you have to generate your algorithm. So how you are going to implement that program, that is very very important. Okay, step 1, input two numbers, taking two numbers. Okay, after that adding two numbers, after that printing. Okay, step 1 taking two numbers, step 2 adding two numbers or multiplying two numbers, or some logic you are going to apply. For prime numbers you need to write some logic. Okay, so some loop is required there, some conditional statement is also required there. So at that point what you are going to perform practically, before going to implement practically, you just want to cover a theory part related to that program. So that is nothing but step by step procedure, algorithm. Okay, after that you have to write the source code. Okay, so source code, while writing the source code, the syntax is very very important, the indentation is also very very important, and where you are using the double quotation, colon, semicolon, uppercase letters or lowercase letters, whatever you are writing in your program, that should be relevant to your question. And also the syntax also very very important. Whenever you are writing some wrong syntax, you are going to lose the marks, that's all. Okay, so very very clearly, very very neatly you have to write, and you just follow the rules. That rule is nothing but, for example, for loop we are having, at the end of the for loop we are having colon. For conditional statement if also we are having colon, not the semicolon, only colon. So if you are checking one condition in the if then whatever statement you are entering into the if block, that should have some space. So that is nothing but indentation. If statement undi ante danlo condition true aithe what statements you are going to write, that statement should be some indentation part. Okay, so all these syntaxes and rules you need to follow. So whenever you are writing any syntactical mistakes, there should be cutting off marks by the evaluator. And whatever logic you are writing, if that logic is not correct, that means you have written some incorrect logic and all, it is going to lead to reduce the marks by the evaluator. Okay, so after finishing your source code or program, we need to know the input and output. Okay, so that is nothing but sample input output or else expected input output. Okay, then after leave some space for original output and input. So that input and output means when you are going to write means after getting signature by the examiner and after execution only you have to write that original input output. Okay, have you got my point? First aim, description, algorithm, source code, expected input output, leave some space for original output, original input output, then write result. Okay, so these two things, original input output and result, when you have to write means after execution only. Okay, then start the second question. The each and every set containing two questions here, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, like that. So in that sub questions will be there. Okay, so how it will be, I'll tell you. Okay, for example, write a program to sum all the items in a given dictionary. Okay, so whatever you have created a dictionary, so that is the main first part. Then after creating the dictionary, how you are going to insert the element into the dictionary. Okay, so after inserting the elements, you need to sum all these elements. So this program contains three sub parts here. So maybe the question will come like that. I don't know that. So prefer to read your question paper 2 to 3 times, then only you will get some clarity. Otherwise you will get some tense and some nervousness and all. Don't be afraid of the things here. So be clear and be conscious whatever you are writing. So that is enough. Okay, and while moving to the third unit, so that is nothing but dictionary itself. Here also we are having 5 programs. Just go through all the programs. All those are very, very important. So write a program to count the number of vowels in a string. So this is also important. Creating a tuple, name, age, address, college and all. So there will be a twist in a question. Okay, so whenever you are familiar with your concept, you can be able to write any program. Okay. Then moving to the fourth unit, files. Here we are having, I think 2, 5, 6 programs in the fourth unit. So each and every program is very, very important in the files. Okay, so just follow your record and all. Okay, and while coming to the fifth unit, in this 26th program is very, very important, and 28th program is also very, very important. Okay, so 26th is nothing but demonstrate use of shape, size and D type. Wait a second. And 28th, Python program to find min, max, sum, cumulative sum of arrays. So these are very, very important questions. Okay, so just go through this and follow our observation and record. So whatever PDF I have sent to you guys, so just follow that. So again and again I am telling, don't write syntactical mistakes. So don't get afraid of the things. So be clear whatever you are writing. So neatness is very, very important. Don't overwrite the content and all. Okay, so follow the record, or else I have sent some PDF also, no, so that also follow very well. Okay, practice, your practice is important while writing some program. So before practicing the program, you just trace how each and every statement in our program is going to execute. So take a pencil and paper and just what we call trace out the entire program. Then only you can be able to understand the content, understand the program very well. So whatever question you got, no need to bother about that. Okay, so whenever the concept is very strong in your mind, the syntax is very well you have known, and the thing how to write and how to understand the question is very, very important here. Okay, so all the best you guys. I sent 2 marks questions, that means Viva voice questions also. So prepare answers yourselves only. I think I am very clear about all the preparation and all. So 1.5 hours will be going to give for write up the programs and all. So after finishing of the write up only, we are going to allow you to a practical part. Okay, so exhibition part. So meanwhile the Viva will going to conduct. Okay, so whatever concept you are having in your mind, whether the external is asking some question, so be strong and be louder. Okay, so then only you will get more marks. Okay, again I am telling you, so there will be a chance to ask any question from the entire syllabus. So I cannot give the guarantee to you. Only that 50 bit, I mean that 50 Viva questions only asked by the external. I don't know that. Okay, so that's why I told you in the message guidelines also. So just go through this. So I think this video will be very helpful to you guys. Okay, so just follow the tips and all. Time management is very very important. Neat handwriting is very very important, and highlight the things and all. After execution part only, you have to write your original input and output. Before that, expected input output is required. Whenever you are writing some program, that program requires an input and output. So don't forget to write that. And the result is also after execution. You can call me. I'll see your entire program and all. I'll give multiple inputs to check your program. Then you'll get execution sign. Okay, so all the best. Don't afraid. Okay, so do your best. Practice your best. Okay, bye.